channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. How are you guys today? Hopefully it's your weekend. If I'm posting this correctly, it is the weekend. So yes, girl, whoop it up. So today's video is a collab again with Yota of Yota Style. I will link her video down below. We got to do a part 2, girl. Remember, we both got the pillow tabbies. She was not crazy about hers, so boom, 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 it had to go back. But she's trying again. If you don't succeed, girl, you fall off the horse, you got to get back on and ride we will. So that is today's video. Oh, something that I need to show you guys. I have a couple of things to show you, so don't click out. Definitely stick around for the coach reveals. I have a couple of things to show you. But Yota, I love her little sign behind her. It says, that's a horrible idea. What time? And I say this to her all the time, just out of the blue. When she says, we ought to do this, I go, that's a horrible idea. What time? So I love this little saying, a little sign. And she looked everywhere for one. And then she was like, oh yeah, I'm an artist. I could just make her one. So she made me this sign to go into. I'm going to probably put it in my den or maybe behind me somewhere. But maybe I'll hang it up with, yes, girl. Yes. Anyway, I'm loving this. I'm going to put it right here. So that's from Yota. And girl, okay, I have a little bit of a story, but it's not my classic stories. I'm going to get back to doing story times, but real quick, I have been trying for years, probably 3 or 4 years ago, I started this thing where I started seeing people on YouTube getting these forever roses that last and last and last. So I kind of hinted to my husband that I really wanted some of those. Well, he went online and found a forever rose in sterling silver that they dip, which was actually pretty expensive and a nice thing, but you just get one rose and it comes in a little box. I should have brought it up here for you guys, but anyway, I have wanted the other kind, like this, girl. Can y'all see that? I have wanted these forever, and I kept seeing people unbox them, but he didn't understand what the heck I was talking about. So he did the next best thing, which was really, really sweet, but I have wanted these in the worst kind of way. I know Yota got some one time from a company. I don't think it's this company, but I reached out to a few forever rose companies and never heard back, but this company must have heard my prayers because they reached out to me a couple weeks ago. It's Rose Forever New York. I am going to link a link for you to get to their webpage, and I'm also going to give you a promo code Winnie15 you can use on there when you check out and get $15 off of these. They actually smell like roses. Now, I love roses. I don't really care about the smell, but I do care when roses, you get them, because I got some for Mother's Day for my son and my husband, and I love getting roses. That's one of my favorite treats in the world, is getting roses. And when I found out that you could get roses, girl, and they could last you for a year, because, you know, that's the saddest day in the world when you finally take those old dead old roses out of that vase and pitch them. I put aspirins. I put all kinds of stuff. The little packet. I go through all the gamuts, honey. I run the gamut on all the things, trying to keep my roses fresh. But this, oh my God. When I heard you could do it for up to a year and keep these looking good, I was like, sign me up. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about this and share it with you because I'm actually thrilled, and I am overjoyed that this company chose me to collab with and picked me for these. If you can see, I know my camera washes out everything in the lights, but it's a real kind of like baby blue, very faint blue. I'm into blue right now, big time. So I chose these. Girl, what do you guys think about this? If you guys are into it, I really, yeah, I got a little link for you down here. And don't forget, it is Rose Forever New York. So they do all kinds of shades. I got the box with 16. They have 9. They've got 16 and I believe 36. So definitely go on there. And they do make them in the square box as well. I just wanted to pass this along to you guys because most people get these and they're like, yeah, roses. I yearned for these in the biggest way. I am super excited to have these. I will display these proudly. As a matter of fact, I already have been. So yeah. Okay, girl, on with the show. Okay. Yes, I will show you the front. It's pretty big, the address and everything. So remember, I had to go to Nordstrom for this bag because Macy's, not Macy's. Oh, I just disparaged Macy's. Sorry, Macy's. Saks. Remember? Saks, y'all did me dirty. They still have my charge pending. Like, they're going to send that out in July. But, girl, I already got it. But, remember, I wanted the other color that Coach really, I don't think they have this on the side. I think they just let all their partners sell this. Ooh, that sounds like me on the weekend. Let my partner sell it, girl. I'm such a fool. Don't pay no attention to me today. I'm in a good mood. Which is rare. No, I'm actually always in a good mood. So, girl, what did I get? Y'all know I got a Coach pillow tabby. But it should be in, what the heck? Oh, the anticipation of it all. Here it is. Here it is, girl. Okay, no, that didn't work out well. Oh, here we go. It's not hooked. Get off of there, devil. Okay. We have our devil shirts on today. Not today, devil. Not today. Get behind me, Satan. My grandma used to say that all the time when I would do something crazy. She said it for me. Get behind me, Satan. Okay, so anyway, the purple. Yes. I have been waiting and waiting on her. You remember that movie, The Jerk, with Steve Martin? And he finally gets the phone book, and he's so excited. He's like, the new phone book is here! The new phone book is here!
The new phone book's here! The new phone book's here!
The new purple pillow tabby is here! Oh, God, I'm excited about it. Okay, what's going on with the... Okay. I can't with all this packaging. I need more packaging in this room. If y'all could see below my waist right now, you'd be tripping for one. And another thing, you'd be like, are you swimming in packaging? I am. Good problem to have. Okay, so it comes with the little thingy. It's got the leathery C, as y'all know, so do I. We probably all have leathery C's at this point. Not you young girls. Enjoy that thing while you can. Anyhow, yes, girl, I love the purple so dang much. But y'all know the drill. You've seen it. You've seen the inside of this one. I unboxed it in, this one's the mini, again, in the 18. But you all saw me. That's the thing about this, man. You got to guide it into the hole. You actually have to tell it to get in your hole, you know. So, yeah. Purple. We've been waiting on this. I am in love. I will start carrying this because I'm currently in her. Oh, my gosh. They're twins. But this one has silver, not silver, like gunmetal. Like a tarnished. Is that what they call that, gunmetal? Like an antiqued silver, burnished, or it's a dark like antiqued or burnished silver. So the hardware, I like that touch too because it just matches. I mean, I don't think gold, I'm not sure if that would, I don't know if that'd be okay, but I love this. I will unwrap her and do a mod shot. She's been doing mod shots lately. Who am I? What? Alright, let's set her right here. Oh, they package their stuff good, don't they? Really well. So then Yota and we were like, well, let's not stop there, because she and I have a passion for about all the same things. But then we were like, we go get some slides. And I have a story about these daggone slides, girl. Okay, so y'all know that me and Yota, we kind of like the same things, and we are slide crazy right now. So this is kind of a story too. These are called the, let me see, I can't remember. Okay, these are called the Ula rubber slide. And girl, I think she got hers in black. But I'll let her unbox what she's got. I don't want to tell her business. But check it out. OMG, these are super cute, girl. I'll just show you the one because they're packaged well. But check it. They match the bag perfectly. What? Okay, so on the Coach website, Coach.com, I bought these because they went on 30% off, which made them like 58, I don't know, with tax, 65 bucks. So I bought them. And then I swear to you, the next weekend, which would have been last weekend, Coach Outlet had these for just a minute. And guess how much? $18 with tax, because they had this deal where they were clearanced out. I don't know why this happened. Clearanced out, and then you could take 15% at the register as you checked out. And these were in there. But these are Coach.com, not outlet pieces. So, and they still have them on the Coach website. But for a couple hours, they had these. I don't know if it was a mistake or what. So guess what I did? I sent the other ones back and reordered for $18. I'm not no dummy. I'm trying to get me a deal. I mean, that's like 40 bucks. Is it? Yeah. 40, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, 20, 45 bucks. I can't add. $47 difference with tax and all. Because 18 bucks is what I paid with tax. I know. Are you guys tripping? I was tripping too. But I said, I was born at night, but not last night. Let me go on and get these. So I did. And I'm very, very happy that I did. Because now they match my bag. What? I know I say that all the time. What? But that's my sincere, like, oh my gosh. One more Coach item. And I will let y'all go today because it's been a lot, hasn't it? This little deal right here is something that Autumn texted me about one day, that hurry, this mini bag is on the outlet, get it. And I was like, yes, I did get it. I had no idea how big it would be because you know me, I don't compute things online very well. I'm just, my elevator don't go all the way to the top when I'm shopping. But check this little thing out. What? It's the Nolita bag charm, or I guess you could call this a change purse. God, they package so well over there. They almost package a little too much, where some companies just throw it in a box and send it out to you for 10 times as much. But anyway, check this out. And hello to Heath on Instagram, who also got this and showed it on his little picture the other day on his page. So I was like, what? I got this too, and I'm so, look how, oh my God, look at my hand. That's as big as it is, guys. Yes, all day long. Doggone it, I love it. I'm so tickled with this. And it will look good on something as a bag charm, or I wish I could crossbody this. That's how crazy I am. Where'd you get your little bag? What, you mean my tiny crossbody? Oh yeah, it would get lost in all the hoopla of my body. Oh guys, I'm loving this. I mean, if I had two, earrings, I don't know, but this thing is adorable. This is by far, it's leather on the sides and then the Coach canvas on the inside, or on the front and back. Wow. I mean, why do they keep doing it to me? They gonna $30 me to death, but I still love it. It's a little canvas inside, not suede, but canvas. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today. Definitely go over and check out Yota of Yota Style and see her video. They always please listen. She's always got something good to say. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming by today and checking out this video. It was kind of a mini coach haul, wasn't it? But yeah, go check out Yota of Yota Style, and listen, you will not be sorry. She is very entertaining and very fun. Y'all already know. You've been over there before, but I'm going to link her video down below. I will link a promo code and a distinct website link to get you to them if you would like to check out my friends at Rose Forever New York. Thank you to them for gifting me these roses. I am so pleased with them. And listen, guys, if y'all see my husband, though, woo, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Where did you go, my little girl? Fook. Here she is. Oh, no, that's not her either. Oh, shit. I've gotten drunk and not figured out where I put the goddamn thingity. Okay, let's go and find her. Berga Ferg! Well, hell! Have they disappeared on me? Wait, here they are. I got them back. Thank you. They're in the wrong box. Shit, that was on me.